body's not mine, it's yours. It's yours, it's yours. So every day I'm fighting a war to free from it all, till I'm free from it all. Free from it all, till I'm free from it all. Okay, saved at an early age. In 30 days it felt like I had managed to murder.
So for this tutorial, I'm already wearing my Jshea Facial serum, and you can shop by clicking the link in my description bar below. So now I'm just going to wipe my brows out, because what tends to happen is that it's oil, so it will get slippery. So I wipe my brow area, then I draw on the shape that I would like to have. So now I'm using the dual lash glue, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply it on my face and then use this to adhere the glitter to my brow area. Now I don't have any brows, and this works really great because I do not have any brows, but if you do have brows, this look works as well. I would assume I've seen them do it on Instagram, and these people actually have brows, but I don't have any, so it's essentially going on like 99, like probably 95% on my skin. So this works for me. But if you have thicker brows, I would say probably test it first on like a portion of your brows to see if it's going to work, if you're going to get the same look, if it's going to look as smooth, or if your brow hair is going to make the glitter look a little bit clumpy. So to clean up, I'm taking just tape and I'm putting it on the area that I don't want the glitter to be, and I'm just removing it. So I'm just basically essentially using tape to get rid of the excess glitter. So I'm kind of drawing where I want my brows to stop there with the tape. I'm just pulling it off, and this is essentially just removing the excess glitter. So now I'm going to be using this black liquid liner to clean up, and I really did not have to. What I wanted was a darker effect on the tip of my brows, and I really did not have to do this because I'm actually going to go over and cover this up. So this step is completely unnecessary. You do not have to do this step whatsoever. So now I'm going to be cleaning up using my Ruby Kisses Level 11 palette, and this is what I was talking about the complete. It was just not necessary to use the black, and I did it because I was looking at my old tutorial on how I did it, and I didn't have to. So you really don't have to. So I don't know. I don't know why I included that in the clip. I just want to show you everything I did. Alright, so right now I'm using my ShadesByGAL medium neutral concealer, and guys, what I'm tell you, I'm in love with that concealer here. But anytime I go on the site to re-up on it, I don't see it. So I don't know. I probably have to just contact the customer care to see if they have any, but I can't see it when I go on the site. But I really, really love this concealer, and this is just how I do my regular brows. So I figured, glitter brows is brows nonetheless. Let me see if it works, and this really does work to help clean it up. I don't know how, because it's glitter and it's textured, but it really does help to clean up the brows. So hey. So now I'm just I don't want to say clean up, I'm blending out, right? I'm just blending out the what the concealer left behind, so that everything looks nice and flush, so that whenever I'm putting on my foundation and everything, there are no harsh lines. So this pre-blending process just helps the brows to look a little bit cleaner. So I'm using Phillips Milk of Magnesia, and if you guys have been watching my video for a couple of times now, you'd see that I'm back using this. This is my primer. I don't know why I stopped using this. In this Jamaican sun, Phillips Milk of Phillips Milk of Magnesia to my thing. Now I'm using Black Opal's Carob, and this is going to be my all over foundation. I'm going to blend it out using my, I think it's my flat top brush from our Pomade in Paradise line, which is sold out. Now I'm going in with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Amande, and I'm going to put this on all the areas that I want to highlight. Alright, so now I'm taking my beauty blender to blend out my NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm proud to say this beauty blender was purchased here in Jamaica from Makeup Addict. This is the authentic beauty blender, and I'm just so happy that I bought it from them. I don't know. I love the beauty blender. I don't know why I ever stop using it sometimes, but I truly, truly love the beauty blender. I love how it blends out everything so nice and effortlessly. Oh gosh, I love this thing. Now I'm taking my Black Opal Walnut. This is their Walnut foundation, and I'm using this to low light. So basically, I'm putting it on all the areas that you guys call contour. I'm putting it on all my areas to low light. So my forehead, because y'all know I got a big forehead, and my nose to trills, my little dip there, because I like the look and I don't have it naturally. And I'm using my beauty blender, the base of the beauty blender, to blend it out. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. Then I'm going back in with the NARS just to go over some areas because I think I went a little bit too heavy-handed with the walnut. So I'm just going back over to brighten under my eyes and different areas. So now I'm taking my Ben Nye banana powder and I'm going to use it to set everywhere that I place the Amande. So this is what I'm going to do to go under my eyes, my forehead, my nose. You guys know the drill. I mean, I don't have to explain fully what I'm doing. Y'all see us on YouTube. Y'all see us on YouTube, boo-boo. So I'm just using this to blend everywhere that I place Amande. So now I'm taking my ShadesByGAL contour palette and I'm taking that dark color and I'm going to be putting that as my low light. So everywhere that I place the Black Opal's Black Walnut, that's where I'm going to be putting this color everywhere, under my chin, everywhere. So I'm basically highlighting and low lighting, what you guys call highlighting and contouring. Then I'm going in with my MAKEU Bronze 5 powder and I'm going to put that everywhere else. So that's going to go on top of my low light. And that's going everywhere that Ben Nye banana powder did not go. So that's going on the perimeter of my face, and the Ben Nye banana powder is on the inside, and of course on my nose. We have both the Ben Nye and the MAKEU Bronze 5. So now I'm going to be baking with Sacha's Buttercup, and the trick to using Sacha Buttercup is to lay it on lightly. You can't go in there heavy-handed with Ben Nye. With Ben Nye, you can't go in heavy-handed with Ben Nye with your foundation on, and it will be blended out nicely. If you're using this with Sacha Buttercup, it's going to get caked up on you. So I'm putting this everywhere that I highlighted basically, and this is just going to have my makeup looking nice and fresh and keep those highlighted areas even more lit as I'm doing the rest of my makeup. So now I'm going in with my contour palette again, and I'm going to use that color. So that dark spot, yeah, that's my wet foundation that has messed up the palette. So yeah, just saying. So that's going in my crease, and this is going to be a nice to cut crease look. I'm going in with a black eyeliner pencil, and this is how I do my cut crease. So I draw a line and then I'm going to blend this out using my elf pencil. I don't know what this is called, but it's one of those, it's from the dollar line, and I'm just blending that up, not down. I'm blending it up. And now when I drew the crease above my fold. So now I'm going in again with my contour palette from ShadesByGAL, and I'm using it to set my brow bone area. Love this color for setting my brow bone area. Then I'm going back into my ShadesByGAL, and I'm going to put that right on top of where I placed the black pencil. I'm going back on top of that just to set it, to deepen it a little bit, so it's going to be like a rich chocolatey brown right there. Then I'm going on my waterline with L'Oreal's Silksimmi eyeliner. Love this, and I'm putting this on my waterline as well as my lash line. Your lash line is where your lashes grow from, both on the top and at the bottom. So I'm putting this on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be blending this out using my the same pencil I used to blend out my cut crease. So I'm blending this. So this is not my lash line that I'm using to blend it out. This brush to blend it out with. Then I'm going ahead and I'm going to line my eyes. I'm lining my eyes with my LA Colors liquid liner, and I'm just lining my eyes, pretty self-explanatory. And I love how this look came out. As per usual, I winged it. I mean, what's new? What is new? So now I'm taking my Face by Shanna Amber Glow, and this is her glow powder, and I'm going to put this on my lid. I wanted a little bit of gold to make, because my eyes, it was looking too dark, so the gold will allow my cut crease to pop some more, and you're going to see what I mean in a minute. So I'm putting it right on that area so that my black line that I drew can pop some more. It's basically working with lights and darks, basically to help my dark stand out more by adding a light there for it to kind of focus on, right? I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but it makes perfect sense to me. So as you saw, I spritz it with my e.l.f. mist and set. Love using my e.l.f. mist and set to spritz my eyeshadow so that they come out a bit more pigmented. excuse me, so just talking about with my eyes, how refined that cut crease looks. Perfect. Now I'm cleaning up the same brush I used to do my brows. So whatever product is left on the brush, I'm using it to just clean up, to have that line kind of go up a bit, so it looks like it's a double winged effect. Just cleaning up that area with whatever product is left on the brush. That's all I'm doing. I'm not adding anything onto it. So now I'm going in with, see how much warmer this light looks. Again with the Face by Shanna, and I'm using it for my glow. Shanna, I love this. I love it, boo. I love it. I want to glow my face differently. I don't know. I've been thinking about it. I don't like how I glow my face. I don't think it looks natural. Anyway, yeah. So I'm putting that on the high points of my cheeks, and of course, smile and put it right there on the apples of my cheek, my nose. You know the drill. You watch YouTube. Then I'm going with Jeffree Star's Dominatrix, and that's the brown liquid lip that I'm wearing. And if you see, like, this brown liquid lip is live. I love it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I love you.